In today's video, I am going to be showing you 10 small business ideas that you can start from home with less than $100. Hi, my name is Princess. I am a mom in the Netherlands and I am building multiple businesses from home. On this channel, I talk about motherhood, home life, Montessori at home, and practical income ideas for women and stay-at-home mothers. If you are a mother who wants to raise her children intentionally and also find realistic ways that you can earn from home, this video is for you. One thing I hear often is this: I want to start something, but I do not have much money to invest. And honestly, this is a real concern, especially for mothers who are trying to be careful with family finances. The good news is that not every business needs a huge startup budget. Here are 10 small business ideas that you can start from home on a low budget. Number 1, printable products. These can be planners, checklists, tracker, journals, activity sheets, or wall arts. I know the next question you might have is, but where can I get all these products? And don't they cost money? The good thing about printable products is that you don't have to create them from scratch anymore. You can get PLR digital products that gives you the right to resell as your own. You can buy these products in bundles. All you have to do is rebrand it as your own and then sell it and keep 100% profit to yourself. If this is something that you want to give a try, I have put together different bundles of PLR digital products that you can resell as your own and keep 100% profit to yourself. So if this is something for you, I will be putting the link in the description for you to grab one. Number 2, digital templates. This is also a digital product. You can create social media templates, budgeting sheets, ebook templates. The difference between the printable product and the template is that most times these are sold as a template so that whoever is buying it would use it as a template. So they would usually buy the template and modify it to make it their own. Number 3, virtual assistant services. This is a low-cost service business because you mostly need your skills, a laptop, and a clear service to offer. So think of services like email support, virtual chat assistant, or any service at all that you can render using your own skill and your own device. Number 4, social media support. If you enjoy creating posts or helping small businesses stay active online, these can become a service. Number 5, proofreading and editing. If you are good with language and detail, this is another low-cost service business idea. This takes us to number 6, handmade micro products. So think of simple physical products like tags, cards, labels, or basic decor pieces. These can be a low-risk starting point. Number 7, personalized digital event items. This can include invites, signs, party templates, or editable event resources. This is one digital product that is always selling. Number 8, organizing or routine consultation. If you are naturally strong in decluttering, routines, or home organization, you can package that knowledge into a service. Number 9, beginner tutoring or homework help. If you are good at helping children learn, this can be a simple service to offer. And the good thing is that you can also do this virtually from home. Number 10, niche content creation. So think of a YouTube channel, blog, or a niche page where you share specific ideas or information that is related to a specific subject. This can be a source of income. You can, in the long run, start making money through products, service, affiliate income, or ads. Now, the reason that these work well is because they are flexible. With these business ideas, you can build slowly from home without needing a shop, a large budget, or a big team. This is a kind of business that you can start up on your own. Also, always remember that starting small is not small thinking. Many strong businesses begin small. They begin slowly. They begin during nap time, late evenings, weekends, and small pockets of focused efforts. The beginning may look tiny, but that does not mean that it is not important. The most important thing is that you are showing up as consistently as possible. So, if you have been waiting because you thought you needed a lot of money, I hope that this encourages you. You may not need as much as you think. What you need first is a clear idea, a simple plan, and the willingness to begin. And guess what? If one of the ideas that you are considering to start is selling digital products, I've got good news for you. I have put together a step-by-step Etsy setup video course that will show you step-by-step how to open your Etsy store, how to set up your Etsy store, and also how to optimize your Etsy store so that you can start selling. And guess what? For less than $50, you would have a fully optimized store. When you get this course, you will not only know how to open an Etsy store, you will also be getting bonus business tools that will give you a good start in your Etsy store, like 40 free Etsy listings. So that means that for the first 40 products that you will be selling on Etsy, it is totally going to be free of charge. Also, you will be getting additional resources like done for you digital products that you can start selling on your own. You would also be getting Canva templates that you can use to create your product listing video. This course has been put together in a way that is beginners friendly and very easy to follow. When you buy this course, you will not be getting a PDF file that is full of fluff and confusion. You will be getting a step-by-step video tutorial. This is me literally showing you on your screen what button to click. So if you are considering starting your digital product business, grab the course now. The link is in the description. And for those of you that already have an existing digital product store or an existing Etsy store and you don't know what products to sell, I also have bundles of digital products with PLR rights that you can resell on your own and keep 100% profits. You can find these bundles in the link in the description as well. If you find this video helpful, remember to subscribe because I will be sharing more income stream ideas for women and stay-at-home mothers that you can start from home. If you have any question, I will be happy to hear from you in the comment section. Remember to turn on your notification so that when I post another video like this, you will be one of the first to know. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Yours truly, Princess.